Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. Today I have an assistant here with me. This is our youngest daughter, Kennedy. If you haven't checked it out, we have another video where she assists me on, where we make a face mask for her and her friend. So she wanted a shirt for back to school, whether it's at home or going to school, that matches her face mask. So stay tuned as I show you how to sublimate white Siser Glitter. Here is the mask that we are gonna match today for Kennedy's back to school shirt. It's gonna say 3rd grade Rockstar, and I'm using 2 of Siser's HTV glitter colors. I'm gonna use the white, which I'm gonna show you how to sublimate, and I'm gonna use the neon purple, one of my favorites, to put Rockstar on the bottom. So first thing you wanna do when you get started is you wanna go ahead and weed your vinyl. You only wanna press what you are going to be sublimating. So I just want to do the 3rd, so I'm going to line that up. And the first thing, I'm going to press it just for like 3 to 5 seconds. I just want to make sure it like sticks to the shirt. I'm not trying to wash it or anything like that. Just trying to get a little bit of tack to it. It's really hot for this type of material, so just want a little bit of tack. And then I'm going to place my sublimation paper over it. Make sure it covers everything. And then I'm going to press it at 400 degrees for 45 seconds. All right, so that color turned out awesome. It's gonna match your mask so good. I'm gonna go ahead and line up the rest of my design. All right, and then cover up the Teflon sheet. And then I'm just gonna press it for just a little bit since my heat press is already so hot. Greatest thing about Siser Glitter is it's a warm peel, so you can go ahead and look at it right away. And that turned out awesome, and it's gonna match your mask so good.
Thanks for watching. I love my shirt and I love my mask.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.